Hello, this is Sam. In this video, you will see the capability of our Electronic Business Process Automation Platform, EBA, for new customer onboarding. Let's get started. This is the mobile application of the system, and it is available for Android and iOS device. You can run the application that you have digitized for new customer onboarding by using your handheld device. You can find all the applications that you have created in the system and opened in your handheld device. And this is the application for new customer onboarding. In this application, you can enter the client information and also address, and put this into the workflow that you will have in the application by using your smartphone or tablet. And this is the home screen after you log into the system by using your web browser. You can find all the pending tasks and also the request for approval on this homepage. On your left, this is the main menu of the system that you can find the new customer onboarding application under this menu. Once you open the form, then you can enter the information of the client accordingly. For example, the name, the address, and also all the related information. And once it is ready, then we can put into the workflow, which there is a unique workflow working behind every single application of the system. And based on the workflow, we will send this to the approver. And as for the approver, there is a different view that you can see. And in this example, you will find the initial discovery page that allows you to enter more information related to this customer. And as for the records or the information that you can save in the application, you can make the configuration anytime and anywhere by using our studio of the system. Again, once it is ready, then we can take another step, and you will find the calculator that helps you to calculate the total cost that you should charge the customer. And we can enter the required information right here based on different services that we provide. And also, if there is any maintenance cost, we can also manage in the table and calculate all together the total cost to the customer. In addition, the system helps you to create a document based on the template that you have. For example, an NDA agreement. So once it is ready, then the system creates a document right here as an attachment to this application. And you can find the date, for example, and also the client name. The address will be captured automatically based on the mapping between the application and also the template. And when it is ready, so we can save this into the database. And all the records will be saved in an archive of the system, which anytime you can retrieve it by running the reporting tool that we have. And in this example, we can find all the code that we have for the customer. And we can also open this particular record and put all the information on the screen for you to review and follow up. It comes to the end of my demonstration. You are more than welcome to contact us and schedule a free demonstration session of the system. Thank you for watching.